Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to completely uninstall Valorant. Let's figure out how to do this step by step, so make sure to follow along. Firstly, make sure to exit Valorant if it's still running. You'll also need to close the Riot Client. Click on the hidden icons arrow in the system tray. Right-click the Riot Client, and then click Exit. After that, press the Windows key on your keyboard or use the search bar to find, add, or remove programs. Click on it. In the search box, type Valorant. Click on the three dots next to Valorant and then click Uninstall. This will start the uninstallation process, and that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.